It's Candace. Welcome back. I thought I would do a quick share with this BoHo winter journal that I'm getting ready to put together. This is my chenille fabric. Isn't that cool? You see in my in frame. I got a book falling on my leg. Oh gosh, hold on. Oh, okay. So, and then that's the inside on here. But I was going to do my signature, and I thought, well, let me just do a quick little film of it. It's just going to be a short one. So what I'm doing is I have this gingham that, you know, I measured what size I need in here to cut out. Whoops, you know, just put it in there and trimmed it to make sure it was the right size and wasn't poking out. And then I took this piece of paper, put some book page on the back because, you know, I needed the strength. And I'm going to put it on here so you can see the little checks. And then I'm going to have a top pocket tuck. And then I just zigzagged around the tops. And then my inside, which is this page from the kit, which I've, here it is. Nope. Oh, good grief. It's buried, but I'll show it when I do the final thing. It's Irresistible something, BoHo Winter. Anyway, it is in here. It's just buried underneath stuff. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, so then I backed it with some, it's printed on 32-pound paper, but I backed it with some more book page, and then I sewed around the edge. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and I'm going to sew here and here, so that way we have this tuck available. And then I'm going to sew here and here on the back. And then after I do that, then I'm going to come and sew this inside down the side, so then it'll have double stitching. And now I'm wondering, am I going to want that? I know. Well, yeah, it'll be fine. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Let me go sew it, and then I'll come back and show you the this final little signature. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I found my thing. It was underneath the 25 pages of junk on the right-hand side. So this is IrresistablePrints, and it's BoHo Christmas Journal kit. And then it's very similar to her winter Woodland Winter, yes, journal kit by the same person, Irresistible Prints. So, because what I did is, since when I sewed, you know, I decided I didn't like this little bit of white here, so I went and took some of the a print from the Woodland Winter, and I thought this would go really pretty in here, so I'm going to glue this down on this side, and that'll help you when you're putting your journal cards and stuff in there. It won't catch on the thread, but I just decided I wanted some more color on this side. Oh, that was close. Okay, so let me put this on here now that I got glue on me. Just put that on there, and then I'll go and sew these together after I give this. Holy cow. You should see the mess. It's not even funny. You know, don't even take a day off. It all piles up, even in the craft world. All right, and then I'm going to put this one on this side, and then I will go and officially sew the pocket together, and that way you can see what the inside signature is going to look like for this little journal. All right. I think my granddaughters are more excited for me to go down there to visit her than I am. Oh, she's been calling. She's been Christmas shopping. And she's like, oh, me, look, guess what I found here. Oh, and then what she wanted to get her mom, she waited too long to get. So it was on, not back order from Amazon, but, you know, a lot of people that sell on there don't stock it and aren't in this country. So it was going to get here till the middle of January. So she's like, oh, I got to have a plan B. What do I do? So her plan B worked out. So she was able to find something good enough that she, you know, that made her happy to give to her mom. So, yeah. All right. Well, let me go sew these together, and then I will be right back and show you that. Okay, guys, I'm back. All right. So this is going to be our center signature for this journal. Well, hello. It wants to come with me. And so it will go in here. I know this one's fat, but it's mostly going to be a writing one. So we'll do the flip through and you'll see all the good stuff in here. But this way you'll have two pockets. This way you have one on the front, one on the back, and then there's room to put more. And then you have the inside pockets. So that's that side of the signature, and then this side, like I said, you got another pocket here and a pocket for big tags or some journal notes. Okay, let me just stick some glue around. You know, I like to glue my sewn edges so they don't come out. And then I will stitch this into the journal, and then we'll do a little quick flip through on this one just so you can see it. I got one more I'm still trying to put together. So, I don't know. I might be... well, anyway, we'll see. All right, I'll be back in a few more minutes. I know. Pause, stop, go, stop. Here we go. Red light, green light. Red light. Hi, guys. Okay, I'm back. So, I've got it sewed in, and I just figured I would go ahead and do a flip through on this journal, which is the BoHo Christmas Journal, since we did the little signature. So, oops. I know, I got... Anyway. So, this has got a fabric pocket with some, I guess, embroidered crochet cotton lace. And then these are the books that I've put in here. There's a page of each. It's the Country Diary Christmas book by Sarah Hollis. Then I have The Gift, a Hanukkah story. I mean, it's just this really pretty girl, and it just went great with the Christmas. Some Christmas cookbook that I found up in Kentucky. I thought that would work great in here. And then this Ideas Christmas holiday cookbook that I took some pages out, and it's not glossy. It's like, you know, they're these older books just that would go in here with our different journals. You know, let me see here. Are we in here? Yeah. There was some nasty food that they made. Oh my gosh. This was a gift to somebody in 1982, so it's not that old. But I'm so glad my grandma did not make some of these things, because, oh, yeah. Okay, so, but I used them because I love the pictures. Oh, but I was reading some of the recipes, and I was just like, oh my God. How people survived the holidays, I don't know. Okay, so, but they just have this little flip out that has some history about Christmas traditions, and it's really interesting reading. And then all of these papers that are in here are fabric and coffee or tea dyed that I did. And I know this says Sloppy Joe Pizza, but it says Cooking with Grandma, and it has, you know, snowflakes and stuff. But, I mean, that's just strange. But it was, you know, it went with my stuff. Oh, so, and then everybody has some sheet music in here. And then some, I found some brown parchment paper. And this is some of my green fabric coffee tea mixture stuff that I did. And this page is from the Woodland Winter. It's the only part that's not, you know, as far as the front pages, that didn't come in this kit, but it goes together, and I thought they were really pretty. And then this is one of the idea cookbooks, and then they've all been reinforced inside with parchment paper. And then this is some tea dye. And then these are placemats that I got that I cut down and made like a little stair-step journal page. And then this is from Janeybjournals. I'm sorry, you know, you can't have boho without a crazy little Nomi man. So he's too cute, so I put him in here. And this is from the actual kit. And then this is some Merry Christmas parchment paper that I had found. Some more of my green tea dye. And then this is another, it's a little waxy, but it's not really waxy. I mean, the glue held well. So, but I just thought it would be cool because it was cooking and to go inside. And then this is a Janeybjournal, I think, Mystery 2. This is something John made. It's just like Christmas tree with some bulb ornaments. And then this is from the little book, the little girl. And see, I mean, the little scene is just, oh, it's such a cute little Christmas book. So, some tea dye. And then these are actually air fryer liners, but they had holes in there. I thought they looked like snowflakes. This is from the actual kit. This is Swipes and Keepies, his shabby dots. I love them. Then this is some fabric dye that I did when I mixed like two colors together. This is what I got. This is from the actual kit, the BoHo BoHo Christmas. This is from the actual kit too. Some of my fabric dye. And then this is the signature that we made. This is from the actual kit, the BoHo Christmas. This is some stuff John made. And then this center is from the actual kit. And I tied it in with waxed white linen because I thought it would go pretty. But yeah, I could go for some hot chocolate. I just thought this was so cute. And then this is the other side. And this is the other part of the book. So you can either glue this down and make it a side tuck, or you can attach something to it and make it a flip. The other part of that parchment paper. Cute little barn. I'd love this, the little woodsy. Hey, there's that little Nomi people. I don't know, this might actually be from the kit. Hold on, let me look. I know, that's sad. But I think Janeybjournals has somebody like that. I'm looking. Oh no, he is in the kit. Well, I'll be darned. Oops, sorry. This is actually in the kit. I'm bad. Sorry about that. And then the other parts of our placemats. And these are textured like linen-y-ish, but they're pretty. I thought it was something different. This reminds me of something like from a Dickens or something. All right. And so, that is that one. And then this is an interesting story about how Christmas parades and stuff started. So, yeah, it didn't last long from this poor man. Oh, yeah, yeah. So there we go. That's that one. And like I said, you know, after I'm done, then after we're done putting stuff inside, then I'll make the covers. I don't know. I still got to glue around here, so it'll stop fraying. But that's that one. And then I guess in a minute, on the next one, I'll come back and do a flip through of the other ones. And then what we're going to do is start putting our our ephemeras and stuff from the kits in here, our pockets and all the other little projects that we've made, and start filling them up. And then, like I said, I know it's kind of late in December, but I'm still going to list them. So, but yeah, these are just really cute little kits. I love the blues. I know. Anyway, I love the other ones too. So, all right, guys. Well, I know. Where's my blue rope? I found it when I was cleaning. I need to tie my thingy up with the blue rope. All right, guys. Well, thanks for sharing a little time with me. I know it was a real quick little video, but I just wanted to show you the center signature that I did before I sewed it in. And I love this chenille thing. We found this quilt when we were in Glasgow, Kentucky, at an antique mall when we had went up there to get hay for the horses for this winter. I saw this with this white and the dots and stuff, and I thought, oh my gosh, Christmas journal covers, because it reminds me of like snowflakes and then just, you know, stuff. So anyway, that's how my little brain thought. All right, well, I will see y'all on the next video. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for spending some of your time with me. Thanks for sharing some of your day with me. And thanks for all your love and support. Lots of kisses, lots of love. You'll have a great day and a blessed day. Bye, guys.